This news, Mema Ohibia Aquaba. I had yet latest and hot news in one and Bremo Anuti Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. The over say over click the subscribe button. Now what belly notification when sa new video be uploaded when the first person I was at the car video. I feel we are now like video give us a thumbs up, nothing share my offer so now when you be here now and somewhere also a Ghana Memohan. I feel Yambura ye and somewhere abeto ye proso. It ye a year sound Kumoya Koso Sar Portia about to get it is as it.
And the Nabia Mumwa Poto. Hesika Banway, I did it for 8 years. Said the Chile Manda Ghana for Frank. But a Banway, I been a one more shower with him. A brand new guy, Serwaa Broni, who were real. I ya catching another side. What's our Mexica? A brand one year, Serwaa Broni, who naked. And another what was Serwaa Broni Pieto? No one takes Serwaa Broni Pampassing. Near catcher Akufo Addo side. Dear William and yo. Now what's our Mexica? Fesicania baby man Ghana for a brand year canoe. Not another wolf.
And the road dross. And the road dross. What the road dross I can see. To what can see Nana Akufo Addo. Shall obey ya what that way. Akufo Addo. What bonnet to say? And now Serwaa Broni. And 12 Akoto send Akufo Addo. Akokra 80 years. What do a man see cast some bad way? And the next presidential jetting. What I say, Sikana Yatesono, a good for the boy Gama William Sikana, say Yateswa, and the Kana for Eddie Hiano. A man penny a Kufado, what the Sikana boy Gama I was so. And so pet power. A picture of the two. The Parmesan, at this point, ye hear called there. And the Numa Nufwa Cassia will be a man penny a Kufado. Somebody can afford Sika when the Mia and Nufwa to say the 1 million tomatoes will pray. A Nufwa who cock or pet. Nana was so unpaid Nufwa and we are tuntum. One of the Nufwa we are cock to say Osua Bois and 1 million will pray. Be on Facebook. Akokrano ade sika ade chinani awone Serwaa Broni wone Serwaa Broni ani gay for ani lesbian for aboy gaman e wo pray na Ghana for ho akere won Ghana for su akokra we se wante but a bra wo power what me catch na wo man say Ghana for mo ti sika so and a comedy. Papa no, what me can yanko ties
Let Sikato is a comedy, and now see what a member bond. Ye ba mammo papa be ba e be sikano pie e be dwuma e ni sika na hoto aba omanga. Aba
Yenuanom. You say obi e ye na dwuma anase obi ye ade a. Se wo gina nchen a, wo dwen se edafom. Enti abra NDC wa ban mu enoma ye nyina akwan a yesiesie schools a yesi ayasabi a yesi kane a yetwe mankrofo ensu a yetu airport a yesi harbor foforo Kwame Nkrumah interchange sanyoma na ye nyina omodwen se da fom enti nipa ni gina nchen obeka se uni mejuma anka me na me ya anka me ye ni sei na sesa nipa no enya akwanya entimi anya obeka se ankonya ya anka saa no beye no enso nyame de onayo enti nyame se me ma NDC for mo beji mo ahome kakra na mo nuano mo enso meye ne enhwe enfie nan ene nyina ye twemu yi anya me na meka chemu nya esi wo obi abrabo mu ezu Ahochere Achien. And Yamina Mekachemo. And no Maya Kanye. Sikano Woho. Yet is Sikaso a come there. Ezu. And ne Sam.
Because I want to work. And to watch her. Best be a wahopia. Some Maya pass it. Some Mamma Sebedum. Best be a wahopia. And this is Bediatuo. Near the 10. Besson Anando. And Bawumia. One woman chill want to say both frota. Yachia and one come one miano. No witching and one fruit. It's one who passes someone. See, I find your market.
So you're very visibly angry on the floor.
I wasn't angry.
Okay.
I wasn't angry.
Okay. But what's your next plan of action in all of this?
Well, Mr. Speaker has expressed his opinion, as he said. This is democracy. We don't need to be breaking shoulders over this matter. We've already filed at the Supreme Court. So we await the hearing, and then we go to the court and abide by the decision of the court. That is all. We are not going into any further debate on this matter.
But I mean, if you don't go back to the house to do business, won't that affect government business in the house?
Hello?
Honorable, can you hear me?
Yes, please. It's better now.
Great. So I heard your side say you are not going to go to the house to do business. And I'm asking, if you don't do that, won't it affect government business that you want to champion?
But what has happened already affects government business.
Okay.
We can't do anything until the matter is finally determined. So let's wait for the determination of the matter.
Has the court
Thank you very much. I don't intend to go further on this.
Has the court decided when to sit on the case?
I don't want to go further on this. We are with the hearing and final determination of this matter.
So you mean you won't go to the house until this is declared?
I will speak no more, sir. I've made the point. Thank you very much.
Well, but okay. I'm grateful to you. That's the Alexander Evans. I wanted him to stay on so we could ask him about.
Was the one to mean Casabium cry? Now, when you have a matter, we yet to move. After your matter, so we
are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
I am telling you, after your mark can yet to move. Until says you go to fucking court. Now, assembly see ya. Said ya mekano. Say a young kunimdia signal. And I taught NDC for so. I told Wamuswama better John Dramani Mahamaso. Ade. Said ya mekato sem rasebedum. NDC and yam rasebedado drono. Sana kosa. Kwa near the Atuabana on the 7th. Near the 2-year pack. Hey, NDC Amanyo Kuno. Obeko Parliament on the Suya Brasebedum Dosa. Abefa. I know that I'm former President Kwame John Dramani Mahama. A crowder or Katachi Wakasa. Madame Hofrede, Namaba, Meba, and someone or Katachi Kwame John Dramani Mahama. What the 2 Jano and the ye and from Rasebedum. Maybe everybody say by the say, Mamin Chram in Chow. And son of the world next story. So, who were baby now the Ajuma Befia, and you fitting here. No one could be a Jumano as a Sawo Kwa, who call government. Now we do proposer at the tunanim. Now we church and quamber for swap by Jumano. The anti crowd would they pa. Yahawa capital Wukuta. Gana for Saban Chiajuman ni Paduan Kabefa. But MPP said me cassetia womo ye Portuguese. In 2019, me sama one company akọ Ghana enya me madwuma but me wonam fufuo bebre me nam fufuo ne bi koy nanka ye de phone company and omede ko ka phone ya Ghana for wo kasa wo so a and the data aye twamene nanka data no omobeton no limited so wo to ne 10 cedis a obeye de opa bia wo so woni credit o wo credit o wo use ni free bo so me so no antua ni atwam ye boto kwi enti wo mu na opportunity e wo ho a school from kwala wo wie school no ntimi to aso a John Dramani Mahama said what the ensan no adwuma apprenticeship what the ba Kwaku sket memi wo krom hey ensan no adwuma na de me ba ho tom enyen san no adwuma na de me ba hankaman to me but san no adwuma de me bo wura
on YouTube. Hot news all time. You are watching GC News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
And the Miametia be a medjuma. I want now so on stop for 17 years. Uncle for ye, mamma. And your opportunity, mouth. Says a jam so the son of ba. A wow na abwa kana. A big grandson of Jumano. Kwaku Katabia may baby chill be a winning. Because the Krumha Ghana car remsa as Saya number 2 winner. Krumha remsaya. Me repair na yet is a branding from factory. And you remember bring am yenu krom ha. The san wadwuma. Enti sia de bibi ba fa hwehye na to abama dwoma ama. Ama on the 7th of December. Ye bekin kan ba no ba wie no. Na ye number 8 o number 8. Na ye John and Jay and omoko. Ama akwanya beto ho ama. Ni atimi de enwuma ni bi aba. Bi kura sansa no adwuma ye de ba no. Ebedru baabi ye be kyerɛw ha wa ye si ye we ebedru baabi no bi anam so na de ababro kyerɛ ha obi nim because ye nsa no adwuma ni bi ha enti wo betia ba ha so abesua ha de ni na de akɔ adenti na ntimi ma so se ya mamme Kwaku ska chance obi nim o se ye de mamme se bra be nsa no adwuma take it so a na maba na me kyerɛ wadwuma wa wie kura tabe wo be babroche ma hwato wo hu ba be sane na wo so babroche no wasa ko back because sabe me ba na yese me mo a me ba be boa eduru ba bi a hade no wa ha enti wo betia ba ha no wo be sua hade no so mo na wo de akokana enti a chance ma say on the 7th of December wo beto ba ma John Dramani Mahama sasem we yame yaduma kwasiada mi wo kumase adehye mi be kyerɛkyerɛm atra santeman ne masɛ me maame ne me nananom me mpanimfo am wa santeman say on the 7th of December montoaba Emma John Dramani Mahama na adefefe bi nam kwan so a eba be wura santeman no bi ho atɔ no John Dramani Mahama tepe and wadimrika papa na say de wo to bomb ye wo kase kume mete wo kasa kra na man na ti senkutu anu nti na me yi me handkerchief am de paper mani na me de ko paper wo mpaboa ho e wo Washington DC me wie na me san de paper mani.
And something historic has just happened. The report I am hearing is that the Speaker has declared 4 seats vacant. Of the 4 seats, 3 are from the MPP and 1 is from the NDC. So if those seats have been declared vacant, then it means in the life of one parliament, the minority has turned to the majority, and the majority has turned to the minority. So for me, God is showing a sign of what is going to happen. Because even before we have cast one single ballot, the NDC has become the majority.
All right, so that is the former president reacting to what is happening. Well, anyway, let's see how it goes. But as more people are reacting to, you know, the conversation we just had with, now, I mean, we're right to call him the minority leader, aren't we?
No, he is the. I no credit do. Uti asama JM kana. Or say a sign. Say NDC baby yemra shi bigam do ampa. Yes, Adam. Enti asempa eyetia. Si ebetimi ama ba mu a, ti se me nu mienu ane ye de yantuma boye ntuma no. Hwa ho kira ukom. And say dollar na do 16 plus. Dollar na atincho. Yeti krom ha. Ama Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Ebe kachira se. Eba with dollar. Oh. Wane IGP. Omachina to time. Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ne kan. And the ye misa. Say dollar na kodru say. Dollar ne nam 16. Na wo kotokra dia. Popo. Bajenya Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. And the campaign 20.
The year the city has appreciated in value. When we came in, it was running. Essentially, we have arrested it. and the IGP has the key. She's locked it up. We've arrested it.
Nabra Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia kano. Oh, na Satino. Akatia. Apalahala. Oh, na Apalahala dressing piece. And we can and then you miss Sasakus.
Na me do also amen damage in Mamuda. Remember Shambo I mean to mean this one. They call Rupia because I'm banking same Mudua, the Babati petrol so who do also an petrol boa and a coso. The Babati. The Baba 10 years so if some Baba here for this one press of grad here for the one. And then only cake once in the year. Cake once in the year. The Bia Wire Day. I mean, here for to be. One of my heads here says she said, power in the battle, so called better than she said, and discovered by a good to go. Free Chebby. Chebby on who's Gabia. Nobody's animal who's Gabia.
Dokro, you won the 7 series. John Mahama time. Akufo Addo ni Pejanyan. Akufo Addo Sansani. Na Dokro ya 1 city. And na Dokro. You born 7 cities. Would you castle a crowd there, Docrono? You see, do 10 cities. Then I see quite. And the willy, you come on near you back 25. Tamahu. Nanado, Bawumia Bawumia Campaign went to be Kamwasa. But 2016.
You're watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time. You're watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Sir Petro na or see what Baba Tesson Akwesi said. You miss Bawumia and the Petro a say. But who can one so Baba Petro?
Now see a 2 abanemawa obey a day.
Petro bo beba form.
Or say ya 2 abamana. Petro bo beba form. Ghana for 2 abama won. And the Petro John Dramani Mahama time. Na Petro you say 140. And that's a 14 cities. And the Petro I do 2 point something. Mampani Akufo Addo. And Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia sa drivers. Adu omu guti truck. Hello do. Ayi Kwame Nkrumah second drivers. Egu kem. Adu omu chinkran bebia. Second. Odoko to Dansumai. Dansumai to Kolebu. Kolebu to Abobroshi. Aboblosi to Kwame Nkrumah Saka to 37. Na sata mo mampedi Akufo Addo ejina ka pampam te so obi o yisene enne yemisa se akwa sise
na o si ye to aba ne ma wa obeye dey
petro bo beba fom
so ye gana ne wate Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia ma yeti asese ko mahama mo bo besiama
You're waiting for winning and Serwaa ababeto yepono so because you so and our hello so we are subscribe ya Bawumia say we subscribe to the channel sanse hadie latest and hot news and enamide bremo Afriyie na what like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma offer so na when you be here na wo and Serwaa ekoso e wo Ghana ni man also bitimi otchere wadwen fa ye Serwaa nyina ho e wo comment box Mubeti interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.